Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video I'll be unboxing this limited edition Explorer kit by American Express. Now I've received this from American Express just today and you can see it is still packed in plastic. I haven't unboxed it yet and I'm going to do it on this video. So a little bit of background that American Express was running a limited edition offer in which they were giving these kits if someone applied through a referral link. So through my referral link some of you have applied for this card, and because of that you and I both would have received this Explorer kit. I know that one of my subscribers, Prakash Prajapati, would have also received this kit. Prakash, if you are watching this video, just let me know in the comments if you have received yours. But I have received this, so congrats to you and me. So without wasting any more time, let's just go ahead and unbox this kit. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open this now. I have removed the plastic, so this opens up like this, and now you can see that as I remove this, these are all the things that you receive with this kit. Now first and foremost we have this cute little plane. It is quite a heavy thing. This is, I guess this is stitched on, and here we have a clock and it is running. I am going to set the time, but yeah, you can see that it's a quite a high quality showpiece with a good amount of weight to it. I like it. Now other than that we have these metal card holders. These are travel card holders and you can slide any card here. You can see this we have this plastic placeholder here, but you can put any card for luggage tags. We received 2 of these, and these I believe are metal rings to hold this with the luggage. Last but not the least, we have this item. This is sort of a eyepiece. You can see this is the eyepiece here, and I think it is non-magnifying. Let me just telescope it out. So it becomes this long, and yes, this is a soft touch material here with American Express branding, and you can see that this does not magnify. It is just a simple glass. Okay, it does have some magnification, but very little. I think you need to extend it out in order to get that magnification effect, and overall that's what you receive with this kit. So this is the kit, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos in the future. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye.